that's right, yeah.
But the system is telling me that I'm at the wrong place.
Oh no, don't trust the system.
Don't
Thanks a
you?
lot. Cheers. Well. So this is my new toy. This is my midlife crisis gift to myself. Come on. You ready for this? Yay. It's a big remote control car. Don't say I don't help the planet by going electric. Oh, this is tight. This is classed as the most advanced radio controlled car going. I've got to get it out of the box.
You get it out of the top. Cool.
Got to let these. Well, I won't be using them. That's to cover the windows with. Won't be using them. God, it's big. The battery charger. All the bag of bits. Now the most common ones are granite grey and blue, ink blue, very nice blue. Three, two, one. Da, da, da. We've got to get this out there now.
It's got ties.
It's got the ties. So there's your tent. Your tent's in that. Oh, it's even when you got window wipers. So, your idea of this is to stick a GoPro on it and have fun. It's a rock climber. You can climb up big rocks. It's full of lights. Got a toolbox in the back. one of them. And yeah, top of the range this job, absolute top of the range. You can bomb it across the fields with this. It should just clip open and you've got a tent. There's a tent thing here. Come here. So he's got his tent up. Little window at the back as well, and the front. So they've got full suspension. There's a go on. Drop them in there. There's a horn in. So you've got the hey, and that will sit in the ground. So you've got your horn in. And you also get table and chairs. So that, and you've got two rods there to help with the awning. So that comes out, slots in a hole there so it's all solid. Yeah. All to make it look realistic. Oops. So you've got, fold the rods back, the rods go in there. It's a pity the doors don't open. And that just sits in there nicely. Clip it back down. Out of these little clips are lost very easily, so should be washing. So you've got just full suspension. I'll put them clips out of the way. You've got your tent. Of course that's stuck up with a bar in the middle. And drop the bar down, drop the tent down. Make sure the bar's out of the way. Clipped away. There's a big beast. All the lights work. You've got proper wing mirrors. They fold in and out. So proper wing mirrors. Inside looks good. Not much leg room. You've got your ski boards, mud boards. There's a spade on the back. All the lights work. You got the pulley tow bar things. Yeah. So you've got a snorkel for the exhaust or whatever it is. They call it a snorkel. And all the lights on the front work. So yeah, let's charge the batteries and see what it can do.